stages. I'm the true OMCE. All of New York is the place to be. I'm the talented, honorable, ageless, nice and smooth to you on many stages. I'm the true OMCE. All of New York is the place to be. I'm the MC. I'm the MC. I'm the MC. I'm the MC.
Daytona, you ready?
I'm the MC. I'm the MC.
Make some noise. Let me hear you. You ready?
Boom back, don't trap. All this, all that. Like this, like that. I'm the MC.
1, 2, 3.
I'm the MC.
In a place to be. See, I go all that cover off the beautiful name of TNT. I'll say it with me. Oh, I'm the. Come on.
Nice and smooth to do on many stages. I'm the true old MC.
What's up, man? What's good, my brother? What's good?
Come on, don't rap.
Come on.
Boom back.
Come on.
Don't trap.
All this, all that, like this, and like that. Come on.
The T, the H, the E, the E, the L, the C, the E, the E, the MC.
Say what, say what?
The MC.
I say what, say what?
The T, the H, the E, the E, the L, the C, the E, the E, the MC.
Say what, say what?
The MC.
Let's go, Tone, let's get him.
M-Y-C-E, DJ, MC, let's rock.
Put your hands up, put your hands up. Come on.
Earth Night, TNT, Earth Night, TNT, let's rock.
Now here we go. Yo,
Yes,
all party. Guess who king to rock your body? Body is a legendary DJ with a golden sound. You stand on your feet if you're sitting down. Stand up.
All the time cause they watching you. Trying to get close cause they fighting on you. This ain't Christmas time and this ain't Saint Nick. Better keep your eye open for the season of the beer.
It's a shame when I see a woman that's so fine. Before I approach, I need to get behind myself, left to right, ain't no letting up. Look at the walk in the box, she could be setting me up. You see, we're close to maintain my ground. Every step that I take, I need to check my surroundings. Not paranoid, I believe in faith. Make walking grace, but I'm trying to stay safe. People out here trying to be so safe. Get caught out there in the season of the bit. Watch what you're doing, cut the eyes on you. So many will take it, so will follow through. It should be hard for you to understand. To make sure you ain't part of the plan. Look in the air, a familiar spot. By the time you look down, you already been got. Pay close attention, tell me what you see. People all around like you and me. Some people won't get their take from you. Some people show love and they try to break you. Some know the time cause they watching you. Trying to get close but they plotting on you. This ain't Christmas time and this ain't Saint Nick. Better keep your eye open for the season of the bit. The season of the bit. The season of the bit. Academic smart, get you oh so far. And common sense make you away from the bar. But you need street smarts if you want to survive. Because you're 24/7 while you're 9 to 5. While you sleep, they on the creek to get next to you. Rain, sleep, the heat to get the best of you. I seen so many brothers take away from each other, rob another, then another, rob and kill their own mother. People don't care, better be aware. Need to prepare, there's a war out here. Nobody safe, even cops get got. Standing in the wall fight, and I hear a few shots of fire. Got hot, cause so many die. But a few blocks away, you know somebody get shot. Can't go outside unless you got a gun. It's a new idea and everybody wants one. Pay close attention, tell me what you see. People all around like you and me. Some people won't get their take from you. Some people show love and they try to break you. Some know the time and they're watching you. Trying to get close but they're fighting on you. This ain't Christmas time and this ain't Saint Nick. Better keep your eye open for the season of the bit. Pay close attention, tell me what you see. People all around like you and me. Some people won't get their take from you. Some people show love and they try to break you. Some know the time but they're watching you. Trying to get close but they're fighting on you. This ain't Christmas time and this ain't Saint Nick. Better keep your eye open for the season of the bit. Roki Randell. Big round of applause. Come on, make some noise louder than that for the dancers. Yeah. All right, before we get to this next song, which is gonna be our last song, I'm gonna have the dancers out here because this is a call and response song. So I wanna know where you from?